Hello everyone, this is Keepshell Fender. Today is Wednesday, September 30th, 2015, time 1:47 p.m. This is an update film to a video I made last week entitled Keepshell News, Pope Francis Helicopter Fly Over My Community, 2015. Here in this update, I will show that Pope Francis last week have entered a military helicopter that escorted him out of John F. Kennedy Airport into Manhattan. And yes, in the video Keepshell News, Pope Francis Fly Over My Community has a picture that I've taken of two military helicopters flying over Bed-Stuy. But I felt that I should update this video with clear pictures of Pope entering one of the U.S. military helicopters, which helped him leave John F. Kennedy Airport and enter into Manhattan, where St. Patrick Cathedral Church is located in Manhattan, 5th Avenue. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Take care, God bless, and be well. While Pope Francis just arrived here in New York City, today is Thursday, September 24th, 2015. Time 5:31 p.m. Helicopters. Pope helicopter. The Pope is flying over my neighborhood now. Right now it's 5:45 p.m. Wow. Pope, I'm here. Helicopters. Got a glimpse of the Pope helicopters, and One World Trade Tower is down this way. This is where they're going. This is One World Trade Tower here. Pope Francis helicopter have flown over my neighborhood. My neighborhood is Bed-Stuy, Brooklyn, New York, and the helicopters had flown from John F. Kennedy's this way, and it's flown over here. I made a video of it, and the helicopters was heading towards Manhattan. Manhattan is down this way. So basically, I have several videos of President Obama helicopter flying over my neighborhood, leaving John F. Kennedy, heading towards Manhattan, and now I have a video of Pope Francis helicopter flying over my neighborhood as well. Wow.